What is up, YouTube land? This is Chris Catalunya. I know it's been a while since I've done a video. It's been about 2 to 3 weeks, but you know how Christmas works. So in that previous video in which I said I was giving away either a t-shirt or a ceramic, I think this is what I'm giving away. And since I'm giving this item away, I haven't done a proper unboxing of it, so here it goes. And I'm actually kind of upset with Supreme because this actually took me about 4 weeks to get. I ordered this when the Supreme AKIRA drop happened, and I didn't get it until 4 weeks later. But here we go. So this is what we got. We got a brown box with the barcodes and on it. And this actually came in some bubble wrap. On the front of the tray, you'll see Kaori, who is Tetsuo's girlfriend, she's actually administering a syringe shot to Tetsuo, the main character of the AKIRA anime movie. Taking a look at the back of the tray, you'll see like the Supreme red box logo. You'll see like the artist name and the title, AKIRA by Katsuhiro Otomo, copyright 1984, etc, etc, etc. But yeah, the dimensions of this tray are about 11 inches long and 4 inches wide. The depth is about, let's say about half an inch deep. Now, this particular scene is not actually from the animated movie. It's actually from the manga, the comic book. And I like it because it actually has like on the syringe, it has a Supreme logo on it. And the dots or the DPI is pretty cool. It's not too spaced out to where you can't like it's detailed enough to where you can distinguish what is what, so that's pretty cool. So in getting this tray, my intentions were to get one of those Supreme sake sets and have this like as a tray for the sake set, but for some strange reason I cannot find a legit sake set that's like in good condition, that's not overly priced, and that's like not correct. Why can't I find a good sake set? I guess that kind of works out in your favor because I'm going to give this tray away. I'll run this contest like I did last time by using gleam.io. You can check out the link in the description and enter there. This is a quick video. That's it for this syringe tray review. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll check you later. Cheers.